Hey, I hope everyone over there is doing well at Jensen Lock today. This is Farron with Step Above Marketing, and I put together a short video to show you how I grow businesses online. We're going to go over three main aspects of getting your business to rank on Google, and that is we're going to go over citations, we're going to go over backlinks, and we're going to go over content. Okay, so first, I do have your current website pulled up, and we're just going to go over content. Now, Google likes a website that has at least 1,500 words on the main page. I know it seems like a lot, but if you're explaining like your different services, your different businesses and whatnot, we can squeeze 1,500 of words, at least on that first page, 1,000 to 1,500. And then on the side pages, we do about 500. Okay, so Google likes to see a lot of structure up here. They like to see that you're using the keywords that customers search for, and they like to see, a lot of wording and content and whatnot like that. So if your competitor has a lot of wording and then you don't, and they have the right keywords, well then Google is going to push them to the top when a customer is searching. Okay. So just having more information here, more information on the front pages for the your services and whatnot. But I actually like the colors and I like the setup. It just actually needs more content and a little bit more categories and whatnot like that. I love this drop down answer key. This is awesome. So yeah, just having more content on here, extra pages that list all the individual services, an actual contact page, about us page, all of that good stuff. It lets Google pretty much know that, hey, this is a good website that we should pull up to the top of the search because they have a lot of customer information. Okay. So what I did was I also just put up one of the competitors in your area who pops up at the top of the search just to give you a better idea. With them here, you see on their main page, that's like locksmith services is a keyword, commercial and residential. Now, when you put in the Youngstown with it, that singles it out and helps Google to know, hey, this is the locksmith in Youngstown. So having like, the keywords is what helps people. So even this guy here, they don't have that much content on their first page. So, we would be able to beat them out 100%. But you see here how they have it organized and whatnot, um, categorized correctly, excuse me. And then they have the services. So right here we would have way more content, way more wording. Okay, so it actually looks like your competition in this area, we would actually be able to push on top of their website by just adding in more content here and more keywords. They may have a little bit more content than you, but that could change easily, for sure. So yeah, just having the right content, information about their services and having, as much as possible, at least 500 on these side pages is what Google really likes and helps push to the top. Okay, so that's enough for the content. Now we're going to move on to citations. Okay, so a citation is how many times your business is listed across Google, okay? Because once your business is listed on multiple directories, it lets Google know that you're credible. It lets them know that you're legit and that you're a real business. All right, so here you have a good Google profile. I immediately noticed that. So that was another one of the things that made me want to reach out when I was looking for locksmiths in Ohio to work with, because you have some good Google reviews. So just getting a consistent amount of reviews is what helps you push you up to the top, for the map pack. Another thing I noticed is that on your profile, the website needs to be connected, and then, just regular optimization of this will help you stay in the second spot and move up to the first spot. Okay. And then, so the citations are how many times, again, your name is listed across the internet. So I also want to congratulate you guys on your citations. Out of all of the customers, oh, well, potential clients that I spoke with this week, no one had, as much citations as you had. So I want to go ahead and congratulate you guys for being the number one business that I spoke to this week with, a lot of citations. So if you see here, When I go to the other pages in the search results, you're listed on Nextdoor, you're listed on Yellow Pages, you're listed on Auto Locksmith Finder, you're listed in the Yellow Pages. This is what we mean by having citations listed on multiple pages. So if someone types in your business name, you have it locked up on multiple pages. So I give you guys congratulations for that because you at least have, at least 3 whole pages of your business name being listed. So that's another thing. Just continuously listing them across other directories. It builds you up so much. So I would say continue with that, of course, so you kind of have knowledge of that aspect. Okay. All right. So when someone, of course, in your area types in Locksmith Youngtown, you want to be found, of course. So I see you're up here. You utilize the Google Guarantee ads. You're second in the map pack, which is good because what happens is when people come to look for something, they're going to look at the top 3 in the map pack, and then they're going to look at the organic search results. So for you, I think it's awesome that you're coming up, number 2 in a map pack in the area. Um, but we can also get you here organically in the organic search results. Remember, 70% of the customers are going to look in the organic results, and then there's 30% that are just going to choose from this top map pack. So you would be a triple threat if you are listed here in this map pack, and if you are listed organically in the search results down here, which is a part of SEO, and that helps you to be listed organically here. So once you have your website built up, you have all of the correct keywords, you have, everything, all the components set in place, you could actually be here in that top search result. So bam, if they come down here looking, they'll see you, you get the call, you get the service 9 times out of 10. All right. So let's move on and talk about the backlinks, which is the next thing that helps people to grow. Okay. All right. So this is the program I use, excuse me. This is a program I use called Ahrefs, and what it does is it shows you the back end profile for a website. Okay, so it shows you everything that's going on with the website, all the traffic, everything that's helping it grow. Okay, so I put up the back end profile for your website, and it looks like there's actually no traffic going to the website at this time. There's 3 keywords associated with it, which is just Jensen Locks, which is just your name. So only your name is associated with it. You want to actually have keywords that the customer is searching for associated with your website. So when they type it in, your website pops up, and that's a part of the having the right content that's optimized. Okay, and then you want to have enough backlinks. So let's go over backlinks. So the backlinks are when another website points to your website. That's called a backlink. What it does is it gives you credibility, and it builds your reputation with Google and lets Google know, hey, this is a good locksmith that knows what they're doing. We're going to pull them to the top of the search results because they have a website that's optimized and they have other businesses pointing back to them. So it really helps you. It really helps your profile. So right now there's only about 6 other websites that have a link that point to yours. And so building that up will actually help you get, better search results, and it'll help you rank at the top, help your website to rank at the top. All right, so what I did was I just wanted to show you so you can see the difference. I wanted to show you the back end profile of the Allied Lock company, who they're organically at the top of the search, excuse me, they're organically at the top of the search results for their website. Okay, and if you look, they have 229 backlinks. So they have 229 links coming from other websites pointing back to their website, giving them credibility with Google, helping their rankings for sure. Okay, so if you can see that, they have 229. So just building your profile up, getting your locksmith backlinks together, your content and all that, then you would be able to actually move into the top spot that they're currently holding. And if you look here, this shows you the keywords again that is associated with their website. So Locksmith Youngstown, Ohio. Um, Locksmith Boardman, Ohio, things like that. So when people are typing in these things, they're going to pop up first. If you see they're in the first position for these keywords. They're getting 90 people to their website every month, an average of about 90 people, an estimate for Youngstown, Ohio, Locksmith. So these people are searching and they're going to click on his website first because it's right there at the top because it's optimized. So that's pretty much what we help people do, help businesses grow on the internet. That's just one aspect of things we do. We also run Facebook, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, social media marketing, just to name a few. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you can maybe implement some more of these tips and help your business grow. If not, we are always here to help you with that. And at any rate, if you could refer us to someone that needs the help, that's also awesome as well. At any rate, thanks again for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know if you would like, some of these services. We'll be happy to help take your business from the bottom to the top. But you're already at the top. We'll just help take you further. All right. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.